What's up, guys? Welcome to another question of the day. Today's question has to do with breast cancer reconstruction in the spirit of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And the question from a patient that I had was, will my insurance cover my breast cancer revision surgery? So, loaded question. Let's start with the law. Gotta read it from my phone. Didn't memorize it all. So guys, the Women's Health and Cancer Rights Act of 1998 states that it's a federal law that provides protections to patients who choose to have breast reconstruction in connection with mastectomy, prosthesis, and treatment of physical complications of all stages of mastectomy, including lymphedema. Long story short, they have to cover breast cancer reconstruction. It's illegal for them to say no. By the same token, they also have to cover reconstruction of the contralateral breast. If someone has a one-sided breast cancer and the other side needs to have something done to it to match the reconstructed breast, they by law have to cover that too. Now here's where it gets a little hairy. Traditionally in the past, if I've needed to go back and do fat grafting or scar revision or change an implant or something to make the breast better, it's not been a problem. Insurance generally covers that 100%. Whatever your deductible or whatever your plan is, they'll cover that. I will say this though, they are not obligated to allow you to go back for repeated revisions of your breast reconstruction. If you're unhappy with the way it looks or there's something you don't like, they could say it's not medically necessary and not cover it because they've covered your initial reconstruction. Historically, it's not been a problem, but I gotta tell you, in this day and age, insurance is getting tight. We are having to fight for every single penny that we get paid to do a procedure. They make it very difficult for us to collect for the work that we do. And I'm starting to see in my practice that some insurance companies are starting to deny if they don't see that there is a clear reason to go back and perform a revision surgery. It used to just be if the patient was unhappy with the way that a certain breast looked and they wanted it to look better and there was something I could do that I felt would help, they would cover that. They're not obligated to do that. So that's the answer to that question. You can go look that law up on your own and you can go read a little bit more about it, but that's kind of the short and skinny of that situation. So I hope that helps answer your question. Again, you guys asked the question and I will answer it. Have a great day.